Here we see a baby chicken in its natural habitat, preparing to grow up and be cooked by the larva. Hello and welcome to Bandit Plays, and in this episode I'm going to show you guys how to make this, a fully automatic cooked chicken farm. So yeah, let's get right onto it. So basically the principle is these chickens up here lay eggs which go into this dispenser, which is then dispensed in there to make baby chickens by this thing, which when there's something in there it dispenses, and then the chickens grow up into the larva and give you cooked chicken. So yeah, let's get right onto the tutorial. So you're going to want to have some blocks, some hoppers, some comparators, some repeaters, some redstone dust, dispenser, some chickens, or if you're in survival, some eggs, and some glass and lava. And I think that's it. So let's get right on with it. So for I know, chest. So you're gonna want to place down a chest with a hopper running out the back, and then another thing I forgot, a slab on top of that hopper. And behind that slab, you're going to want to place a dispenser facing into it. How do you do this? Facing into it like that. And then around it, you're going to want to place glass like that. And then you're going to want to build a 3x3 area out behind the dispenser, a block there and a block there. And you're going to grab your comparator to subtract, then a repeater, another repeater, and then 3 redstone dust on this side, and then 2 more on that side, which creates the redstone so that when there's some eggs in there, it automatically shoots it out into there. Then you're going to want to place a hopper into there and 2 more running out there. Then you're going to want to fill up their area around it with glass like this, so that the chickens cannot escape. Like that. So that is basically the bulk of it. Then obviously like that, so that the chickens can't escape in there. Next you're going to want to remove that block there and that block and place lava in there with the block there, so the chickens don't, in there, that are laying eggs, don't cook themselves. And now that's basically it. So you're going to want to grab your chickens like that and place you're going to want to place a whole bunch of chickens in this compartment here, so that you have lots of chickens laying eggs like that. Let's that's about the amount you want. Obviously, once that'll be a lot harder with eggs, so I recommend making an automatic egg farm to do that. And that's it. So I'm assuming that this should have eggs. And over here you can see we started with 7 in this video, now we have 13. So yeah, it also gives you feathers that you can use to make arrows. And now I'll also quickly show you guys how to make an egg farm. It is super uber simple. So you're going to want some blocks. You're going to want to place them too high. Actually, a chest, the hopper, and then around that hopper, some blocks. Yes, some blocks around the hopper that you're going to want to build too high. With glass. Like that, so you can see the chickens laying eggs for you. And then put a whole bunch of chickens in there, like that. So they'll lay eggs for you, which will then go down into the chest, which then you can use to put more chickens in there. But if you don't start with as many in there, you probably can't put as many more in there due to entity cramming. But yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.